Goodness gracious. This thing took up every single one of my 120 nuggets. Fill in with some cherry tomato ornaments. For those tougher to reach spots, we'll add some pickle chips. And finally, a few sprigs of rosemary for a little greenery. And we'll finish it off with a show-stopping pepper jack star. Now our tree is decorated, but has no gifts. So what better than some gift-wrapped dipping sauces? This is the ultimate holiday food decoration, and anybody could make it. It was so easy. That's one way to one-up your neighbors.
Hey y'all, so for Christmas last year, me and my sister-in-law made a giant charcuterie board. Yes, I'll say what I said. Anyways, I made these super cute little trees, and then you really can just add any filling you like. I did some spinach and artichoke filling here, but last year I actually just store-bought a couple different ones and made 2 different trees. And then you just want to take some pizza crust. You can use thin crust, this is just regular, and then go ahead and cut it up like that. And then you want to connect these 2 triangles and then just lay it on some parchment paper, put your filling inside, cover it up with the other one, sprinkle a little more cheese on top because why not, and then just go ahead and close it up like that. Put some slices on each end like so, and then I twisted all of them once and then I went back and twisted them some more, which I liked better, and then I just baked it for 20 minutes, brushed it with garlic butter, boom.
That's right, we turned cheese and bacon dip into a Christmas tree, covered it in chicken crimpies and topped it with a bacon star. Because why not? First, fry up your bacon star because you have to have a star on the top of the tree. Then fry up bacon pieces for the dip. Make a cheese and bacon dip with cream cheese and then shape it into a tree. Chill for 1 to 2 hours to make sure it's firm enough to hold its shape. Finish it off with chicken crimpies, bacon and maple syrup. Merry Christmas, this is our present to you.
Sing with us.
For the 12th and final day of my 12 Days of Christmas recipes, we are making whipped ricotta crostini that's the perfect Christmas appetizer. People usually get a little hangry waiting for Christmas dinner, including myself, but if you give them this appetizer, just listen to this crunch, then they'll be incredibly happy and will wait for dinner. To make the whipped ricotta, add ricotta, herbs, and olive oil to a food processor and blend until smooth. Beautifully pipe it onto your toasted bread and top with pomegranates, walnuts, honey, some chives, and a little bit of flaky salt. Enjoy!
I have the perfect Christmas appetizer for you if you're having a party. Look at this. This is my sausage and fresh mozzarella Christmas tree bombs. And it's so pretty and festive, but you guys, it's so delicious. Seriously, it's gonna fly off your table. Everyone's gonna love it. And it's so easy to do. 1 can of Pillsbury pizza crust. Put it on a piece of parchment paper. I cooked a pound of sweet Italian sausage and crumbled it. I cut the pizza dough into 18 pieces and I also cut up fresh mozzarella. Put a spoonful of sausage down with the mozzarella. Then you want to fold it up into like a little ball like this. Then on a cookie sheet, I have parchment paper that's been sprayed with nonstick spray. Make a Christmas tree shape, then melt half a stick of butter, grated cheese, oregano, parsley, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Give this a mix. Brush this on all over those little pizza bombs. You're gonna put it in a 350 oven for 20 minutes and serve it with a side of sauce. Enjoy.